cutting across to big update coming in on Prajwal Revana's case. His lawyer has spoken exclusively to India today. Prajwal Revana will give his fullest cooperation, says his lawyer. Yesterday, 41A of the CRPC notice was stuck at his house. We have asked for 7 days' time. He will fully cooperate, says the lawyer of Prajwal Revana to India today. It's a lie that Prajwal has fled the country because of this case. This is what the lawyer claims. I'm going to take you through that chat he's had with India today. Let me cut across.
Coming back, has he gone for a vacation, or how did he flee just hours after the polling ended?
See, as on today, the instruction what I have got, or the instruction what has been given to me by my client, is that whatever, like when he left the Bangalore or Ole Narsipura, it was already a pre-planned one. Okay. It's not like all of a sudden it was done, point one. And insofar as I believe probably your question is probably coming from in the background of a suspicion because of this case he has left. I believe that is not the case. It is a situation where he left and subsequently certain events have, like at least to my clients, from my client's position, it was not expected.
He didn't know that an SIT was going to be formed the next day and FIR was going to be filed?
Absolutely no. Absolutely no.
He wasn't tipped off about anything?
Nothing.
Okay. Sir, so in those videos that came out, is Prajwal Revana saying that he's innocent, or is he agreeing that it's him in those videos? What's the situation?
See, whatever the images or videos which is supposedly or which is being purportedly utilized by, which is being circulated. Yeah. My instruction is that he had an hint 1 year before that these kind of morphing images were to be used so as to defame him for various reasons. So for that purpose only 1 year back he had filed a civil suit and there was an injunction in his favor. Yeah. And probably if at all the so-called victim or so-called aggrieved person, I believe probably they should have first gone to the civil court, shown that there is some genuine material with them, and then they could have they are open to take the steps before the criminal courts or elsewhere. But probably without doing anything before the consent court, now doing things probably only time will tell what is the best recourse my client would adopt.
So are you clearly saying that those videos are morphed then?
Very much. They are morphed.
Who do you suspect has leaked these videos without blurring the faces of victims?
See, madam, there are various dimensions to this. It's not only because going by what is there in the public domain, there is a driver who talks for whatever reason. There is one advocate, he talks about for some other reason. There is lot of political talkings which has been going on. As on today, in the interest of my client, in the interest of my case, which what I am being entrusted with, it would be not correct on my part to tell who is the reason.
All right, that's the first reaction of the lawyer. And I'm going to take you through a reaction coming in from HD Revana, the father of Prajwal Revana, who's also been summoned by the SIT team in Karnataka. Let's cut across his first reaction after SIT has summoned him for questioning. All right, that's Revana there who says that it's poor audio, but we're going to try and get that reaction for you. What we know is HD Revana has claimed that he's heard summons has come to him. He is going to ensure full cooperation with the SIT team. Anaga Keshav, who's brought us that interaction with the lawyer of Prajwal Revana, joins us live. Anaga, give us more. He says that the videos are morphed. He claims that Prajwal Revana did not flee the country. He had prior engagements in Germany, and which is why he's there. But has he given any word on when Prajwal Revana is coming back to India and facing these allegations and investigation? Anaga. All right, we're going to try and patch a connection there, but here you have it. First lawyer's reaction coming in on India Today. Prajwal Revana seeking 7 days' time to join Probe, and he says he's not fled the country. He had prior engagements in Germany, but still no clarity on when Prajwal Revana is going to be back. Anaga, if you're with me, if you can hear me, give us more. Did the lawyer mention with clarity when Prajwal Revana is going to come back to India?
Nabila, not at all. Despite us asking several times to give a specific date on when Prajwal Revanna will be coming back to India, the lawyer didn't spit out a single word. He just said that he has sought 7 days time to the SIT. After 7 days, maybe even on the 7th day or maybe after that, that's when Prajwal Revanna will be appearing for investigation. He says that at this point he cannot disclose as to why he cannot appear early, given the fact that how sensitive that this matter is, that it involves allegations of sexual harassment and sexual abuse. He says that Prajwal Revanna will appear on the 7th day or perhaps after that. However, the lawyer also made it clear that, according to Prajwal, those videos are morphed, they are not true, and there's also the political vendetta angle that's there for this, given the fact that elections are also around the corner. So Prajwal Revanna at this point is pleading innocence. He's saying that though those videos do not feature him, those videos are completely morphed just for political vendetta, is what Prajwal Revanna is saying.
For joining us on that. Of course, fingers pointed at the Congress government in Karnataka as well. Allegations are that it could be so. The DK brothers in Karnataka knew very well about Prajwal Revanna's sex scandal.